Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to online classes. Today is Saturday, and again you will join your SST classes. Student, now you will read the chapter 7. In August month, you have to read this chapter. The heading of the chapter is If You Believe You Can, You Will. This is chapter 7. So, please listen what I am telling. Today, I will tell you about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. See the picture of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. You know about him? If you don't know about him, today I will totally focus on the great man, the missile man, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. See the picture of our President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Now you can see the beautiful house of APJ Abdul Kalam. Now see the school of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and his technical college, engineering college also. Here you will see the family picture of APJ Abdul Kalam and see the childhood picture of APJ Abdul Kalam. Now you will see the great personality, the great man receiving the different type of awards like Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri and Bharat Ratna, etc. Now you will read about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the 11th President of India, was born on 15th October 1931 in a small village in Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu. His father was a poor boatman with 7 children. He had great desire to give education to his children in order to have a better future. As a school student, Dr. Kalam sold newspaper. To continue his education, he became a great scientist and won many awards like Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Bharat Ratna, and many others. His journey of excellence didn't stop there. He was elected the highest post, that is President of India, from 2002 to 2007. He studied physics and aerospace engineering. He spent the next 4 decades as scientist and science administrator, mainly at the Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO and Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. Now student, you will know about him, that how famous man he was. He thus came to be known as the Missile Man of India for his work on the development of ballistic missile. He played a technical and political role in India's Pokhran nuclear test in 1998 while delivering a lecture at the Indian Institute of Management, Shillong. Kalam collapsed and died from an apparent cardiac arrest on July 27, 2015, aged 83. Student, here you know about him, the great personality, the former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and our missile man. So, from this story, you came to know that if you believe you can, you will. So, before starting the chapter, I would like to focus on this great personality. In next class on coming Wednesday, I will start the chapter. So, please read this biography of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam for 3 or 4 times and learn it by heart. Student, I would like to explain the meaning of if you believe you can, you will. So, the meaning of this line is student, if there is a will, there is a way. It means if you set your mind to do something, you can easily do it. In other words, it shows us the importance of willpower and how it can bring a change in someone's lives. So, from today, decide in your life and work accordingly. I am sure you like this biography and you will do the work according to the heading. You will follow all the rule and regulations in your life to become a better man in coming society. So students, please see the homework. The homework is copy down Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, stick the picture of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and write it beautifully in your CW and learn it by heart. And in next class, I will explain the chapter and I will focus on it. So, goodbye and do your work properly. I am sure you like the introduction of the chapter. Goodbye. Thank you.